Guys, a crispy pork belly and air fryer po. Ayan. Air fryer, crispy pork belly. Sarap yan guys, oh. Yum. Look at that. Can you hear that sound, guys? That's the crispiness. Tara po. Kain tayo. Kain. Beautiful. So guys, look at that. That's the beauty. Very crispy pork belly. Air fryer lang po siya guys. Tara, kain na. Look at that, it's beautiful.